Hi guys. Magbungkag niyan eh kay para i-video. So, ano sa may gawas guys? May diri gawas guys. Kauban ako mga classmate guys oh. Kani sila muna yung mga classmate ako guys. Nagama. Nagama sila. Sila po ning kuan project.
Mo sa bakarad ako niya.
Amo adara. Tara, kani. Tara guys.
Ano po?
With Boss Marjong.
Please sa bakarad to my channel. Gusto mi kandel sa mga materials.
Boss Marjong.
Oh no!
Go.
Hi guys. So, we are back. Kauban ako si Boss Marjong. Wow. Sa pimigamon sa mga electronics. So yung title ni Boss? So to? Ziner. Wait lang guys, amo sa tanawon guys, kaya nakalimutan ko.
Ziner diode regulator.
Oh, Ziner regulator guys. Namong gamon. So, amo sang ipili lang mga materials, dayon ang placement sa pagbutang sa among project. So, let's go. Karon guys, pili lang mo among materials.
First, nakay step down transformer. Guys, step down transformer.
Ayun. Tara guys, jumping wires. Tara guys.
And then nakay breadboard.
Ayun. Nakay lead. Pula ni guys ha. Tara guys.
Kani, nakay kuan. Zener diode, 6.1 volts na Zener diode.
Ayun, kini guys, matiting kay nga resistor 3.2. Boss no?
Kilo
ohms.
And then nakay 5K na kuan, potentiometer.
Guys, ayun. Dili malimtan guys.
Muna na.
Muna ni? Tama ni guys.
So,
Muna to guys, among gamit.
so makita kung saan pag kuan, ang iyang sa pagplastar.
Breadboard. Okay. Pew.
Sige. First step, ito niya tuwang kuan. Ito ang step down transformer. So, both ends. Ano dari lang. And then, ito ang resistor. So, resistor, ito yung butang guys. Resistor. Okay. And then, imuhang zener. Dari butang mo. Okay. Then, itang kasi yung lead. Ito dari butang. Then, kuha kag jumper cables. Dari sa yung positive. Itang dari positive lead. Isa. Then, sa yung dari sa yung negative. Itang dari sa yung potentiometer. Dahil, may connecta dari sa yung negative side po. And then, dari negative side yung lead. Yung siyang i-connecta dari sa yung potentiometer. And then, guys. Muna yun siya. Isasapit lang. And then. So guys. Containing error. Domain. Yay. Yan. Yan.
Difference between Zener diode and typical diode. A Zener diode is a special type of diode that is designed to operate in reverse bias and break down at a certain Zener voltage. Once the reverse voltage exceeds this threshold, the Zener diode allows current to flow freely, which is useful for voltage regulation. Unlike regular diodes, Zener diodes are meant to operate in reverse breakdown without being damaged, and they maintain a stable voltage across them. While a diode is a two-terminal semiconductor device that is designed to allow current to flow in one direction only. When a diode is forward biased, it conducts current with a small voltage drop. What happens if R and RL have the same resistant value? If R and RL have the same value, the circuit is on.